The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, northern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wautoma to Green Lake to near Theresa, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rosendale, Johnsonville, Sheboygan Falls, Calvary, North Fond du Lac, Hingham, St. Cloud, Sheboygan, Nashcorto, Alto, Howards Grove, Marquette, Princeton, Mount Calvary, Berlin, Plymouth, Geneva, Ripon, Goldenboyle, and Taycheedah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.